Hello traders. Today is the first trading day of the week, 7th of July 2025 on Monday. And I just finished my London morning session with amazing analysis, guys. Today I'm going to show you the London morning session, all activities, all the analysis, and how we help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's look at the analysis now. All right, guys, let's look at, we have today amazing analysis on gold, dollar Swiss franc, dollar CAD, Kiwi dollar, Aussie dollar, dollar yen, and pound dollar, and the Euro USD. All right, let's look at the gold, what we have. We had amazing short trade this morning at the market open. We are pretty straightforward. We were looking some price action around this level. As you can see here, the price rejected twice. So we had this beautiful short trade, squeeze amazing profit. And this is the point of interest we were looking at. And if you look ahead, the price nicely respecting this support level. So we also had a counter long trade. We can see a multiple rejection. And if we find counter opportunity, then we're going to be taking a pullbacks. Let's see, guys. But let me share with you how we analyzed today. This morning, we had a beautiful trade, guys. A short trade, we had a pretty straightforward. This was the breakout and squeeze amazing profit. Even after that, we had another beautiful breakout short trade, squeeze amazing profit. And then once the price rejected, we also had a counter long trade here, and the trader are still holding low this one. So you can see a gold, amazing analysis, amazing trade. Now let's look at the and let me take the list one by one from here. Dollar Swiss franc. So if you look at the dollar Swiss franc, and we had, let me share with you guys, we had amazing long trade here on dollar Swiss franc. All right, so dollar Swiss franc, if you look at here, beautiful. We were expecting some price action, but if you look at here, this morning we have seen a bullish engulfing candle, beautiful long trade here. And how we analyze the entry, that was a pretty straightforward. You can see here, that was a beautiful breakout. This is the fifth channel. This is what we're trying to, expecting the target hit, nicely hit, and squeeze amazing profit. That was a beautiful long trade in dollar Swiss franc. All right, let's look at the dollar CAD now. If you look at the dollar CAD, beautiful long trade, amazing trade, guys, amazing. Pretty straightforward. We were expecting some price action. As mentioned to my trader, this is the point of interest. If you look ahead, the price broken and give us the confirmation. That was a beautiful long trade. And as explained, my trader, just keep taking a pullback. But the target was hit and squeeze amazing profit on dollar CAD. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries. That was a pretty straightforward, amazing pullback. As you can see, as mentioned in 4 hour, this is the pullback. We were looking into it, and the price nicely developed pullback, hit to the profit target in 4 hour. That's what I explained my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So that was a beautiful long trade on dollar CAD, squeeze amazing profit, guys. All right, let's look at the next one is a Kiwi dollar. Okay, so Kiwi dollar, we had amazing short trade, guys, and pretty straightforward. Look at here. We were expecting some price action, but if you look at the most important thing, we look at the price action candlestick pattern at the specific point. As you can see here, pretty straightforward. Price nicely broken and develop pullback. If you look at this candlestick pattern, develop a bullish engulfing candle. And as explained, my trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. And the target nicely hit and squeeze amazing profit. Now, let me share with you how we analyze the market. That was a pretty straightforward breakout short trade, squeeze amazing profit. Even if you look at the candlestick pattern, that's what we explain our trader with the live analysis. If you look at his price develop head and shoulder pattern, as explained, safest way, let's look at the breakout here. Why did I mention here? Because we know the price action and beautiful breakout and hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit on Kiwi dollar. All right, let's look at the another one. We had Aussie dollar. Okay, so if you look at the Aussie dollar, we had a short trade here, pretty straightforward. We were expecting this channel. Let's see if the price is going to respect or not. But if you look at the previous candlestick pattern, if you look ahead, this one, bearish engulfing candle, price nicely broken. And after that, as explained, keep taking a pullback. And this is the low, was the target, nicely hit and squeeze amazing profit on Aussie dollar. But how we analyze the entry, that was a pretty straightforward, beautiful breakout, squeeze amazing profit, guys, on Aussie dollar. All right, let's look at the another one, that is the dollar yen. Okay, look at the dollar yen. If you look at the dollar yen, pretty straightforward. Price nicely came back. We were expecting some price action anyway at this level because the price broken, and pretty straightforward looking for pullback, especially when the price develop a double bottom at this level. That's the high probability. And look at another one, a bullish engulfing candle. Then, as explained by trader, keep taking a pullback. So we explain every trade and or mention or trader, just keep taking a pullback. You can see we had a pullback. As mentioned, keep taking a pullback. So we have a beautiful two pullback and still trader holding long on dollar yen. That was a beautiful trade, guys, on dollar yen. All right, let's look at the my favorite pair, which is the pound dollar. And if you look at the pound dollar, pretty straightforward. We were expecting some price action around this level. As you can see, one second time, price nicely respected and beautiful. We had this beautiful breakout, price nicely respected many times, bull bearish engulfing candle, and afterwards, we also had another small pullback. And as explained by trader, just keep taking a pullbacks. So that was a beautiful short trade. We had it on pound dollar. Let me share with you guys the analysis. Okay, so pound dollar, if you look at the pound dollar, we had amazing short trade. This was the first analysis we did. Beautiful breakout, pullback. Even after banking some profit, as explained my trader, just keep taking another pullback. So we had another beautiful pullback short trade here. Let me share with you guys. This is the analysis we did. Beautiful, amazing, squeeze amazing profit. That was another beautiful short trade on pound dollar at London opening. Okay, let's look at the another one is Euro USD. Euro USD, we had it another beautiful short trade here. Squeeze amazing, pretty standard, straightforward. We were expecting, let's see here if the price is going to break this one or it is going to break downside. So we did this analysis, and based on that, we had an amazing short trade, guys. Pretty straightforward, as you can see here. Price nicely respected, developed 3 times. You can see here, that's give us the high probability. You can see here, price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, price retest, give us the confirmation and hit to the profit target. That's what explained my traders time to bank some profit. So that was a beautiful short trade here. We also had another amazing trade on short trade. We had it. That was a pretty straightforward on pound yen. And let me share with you guys. That was a pretty straightforward breakout long trade here and squeeze amazing profit once the price hit and develop another pullback, squeeze amazing profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. As you have seen in London morning session, what an amazing analysis and amazing trade. But if you want to see those live analysis in real time in the New York session, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.